How's it going, everybody? Jared back once again, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at GelaSkins. Now this is a Canadian-based company for the win. Now they don't just make skins, obviously, for the LG Nexus 4. They sell it, make skins for a variety of different devices, that being both phones, tablets, laptops, and as well as gaming consoles like your controllers and the consoles themselves. Really innovative company. Now, all of these designs, the cool thing about it is that, say for instance, you like it on your LG Nexus 4 or Galaxy S3 or whatever it may be, you also perhaps want it on your tablet. Well, go ahead and order the same thing up for your tablet as well. That's cool. So you can actually have matching skins all across the board, which is really, really neat. If I can flip it over around the back here, you'll notice it says easy repositional application. I'll bring it into focus here a little bit more. Durable scratch protection, removes cleanly with no residue. Now, I don't know if you guys have been following me. Well, I'm sure a lot of you have been following me for a while now, but in the past, I've reviewed a competitor's product. It was horrible. Really horrible. The application was terrible. The sizing was improportionate, and removal was terrible. I actually ended up having to use an alcohol wipe to actually get all of the gunk off of my phone, which sucked. Now, you'll also notice it's got downloadable wallpapers. Awesome. So, for instance, this one I thought was really, really cool. I've got one not only for the Nexus 4 here, but I also have another one for the Galaxy S3, a different style, and I'll be reviewing that down the road. However, I thought this was really cool because it would look pretty neat with the sort of circuit board wallpaper to go with the skin itself. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this onto my phone. We'll take a look at it, see what it's like, and then I'll toss on the wallpaper, and we can kind of see what it looks like with the wallpaper on. Let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, and we're back. We've applied the skin and it's ready to go, so we'll take you on a little tour. I will say, however, based on the seams around the edges, like for instance, here and whatnot, I don't think, tossing it in a case, like for instance, one of these would be a great idea, just because of the sharp lips around the edges of this particular case, as an example. It would probably end up starting to like pry up, perhaps maybe that. The edges there, which would obviously not be a good thing. But I mean, like, this is kind of meant just to protect your phone. So if you're looking for minimalistic, like the minimal of minimalistic protection, basically you're just not wanting anything to scratch parts of your device, then this is a great option for you. Now, what I'm gonna do though is zoom in so you can get a better look at everything here. So there you go. So as you can see, I think I did a pretty good job. Get the light reflection going on there at lining everything up. We'll go ahead and move down to the bottom here. And you can see there that it's lined up pretty well. Now, while we're looking at the bottom, I'll give you a moment just to point out, see if you can notice a certain flaw that they may have forgotten during the manufacturing process and design process of this particular skin. Have you figured it out yet? Well, as a lot of you may know, the Nexus 4 features its notification light right there. And unfortunately, there's no cutout hole that I even forgot to poke out to gain access to that notification light. So, with that said, if you rely on your notification light heavily, then this might not be the best bet for you. Although that's not to say that you can't just remove that altogether. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. It'll still look really, really sharp, although it probably won't go as well with the wallpaper that you get to download for this particular skin. We'll go ahead and flip it around to the back now. And as you can see, the camera cutout is pretty bang on, if I do say so myself, with the LED light there as well. And we'll go ahead, and as you can see, we'll move it down to the bottom. Alright, so I think that looks pretty sharp. I'll go ahead and put it on the sides here for you, and I'll just refocus the camera a little bit. So as you can see, it's got a perfect cutout for our power button there. And like I said before, it stops right around there. Go ahead and move it down, and stops right around there, which I can appreciate. I mean, based on the different lines that they have, you see that sort of line right there? That would make things really, really difficult. And again, we'll flip it around to the other side here. And as you can see, it looks pretty bang on. Your SIM slot, your volume rockers. Let's take a look at the wallpaper. How's that? Does that not look sharp or what? That is so cool. You want to impress your friends? There you go. Anyways, guys, that's it. I'll be posting a link in the About section down below to not only this particular skin, as well as their website. So you can go ahead and check them out, see all the different skin options they have for all the different devices that you most likely own. Really great prices, crazy fast shipping, Canadian-based company. Thank you very much for that. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks again so much for watching. If you're interested in this particular skin for the LG Nexus 4, I'll be posting a link in the About section down below for you guys to go and check it out directly, as well as a link to their website, www.GelaSkins.com. That is GELA skins.com. And go and check them out. I think it's really impressive what they've done here. They've got a skin for basically every single device you could possibly imagine. Pretty impressive stuff here. Anyways, that's it. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, shoot me some love by hitting that likes button down below. And if you haven't already, maybe consider subscribing for more videos like this in the future. We do have videos every Monday and Thursday and a bunch in between. If you want to stay up to date on all of my videos, be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+, all of which those links can be found in the About section down below as well. That's it for now, though. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.